Hi everyone, welcome to Kitten Express YouTube channel. So here is the part 2 of our video series in which we are learning animal names in Korean language. In the first part, we have already learned the names of various farm animals in Korean. Now, in the part 2, we will learn the names of various pet animals in Korean language. So let's start. First comes the Korean word for pet. Now there are two words for pet in Korean language. One is 애완동물, 애완동물, and the another one is 반려동물, 반려동물. Now both of them they mean pet, but 반려동물 it kind of means a companion pet. Okay. So, Koreans they usually prefer 반려동물 while referring to pet to emphasize on the fact that the animal that is your pet is your companion that you're emotionally attached to and you share a strong emotional bond with your pet. Okay, so you will notice that Korean people usually say 반려동물 for pet. Now comes the Korean word for dog, and that is 개, 개. Next, let's see the Korean word for puppy, and that is 강아지, 강아지. Next comes the Korean word for cat, and that is 고양이, 고양이. Now let's see how to say kitten in Korean language, and that is 새끼 고양이, 새끼 고양이. Now comes the Korean word for rabbit, and that is 토끼, 토끼. Next comes the Korean word for fish, and that is 물고기, 물고기. Now let's see how to say goldfish in Korean, and that is 금붕어, 금붕어. Next comes the Korean word for hamster, and that is hamster, hamster. Now let's see the word for bird in Korean, and that is 새, 새. Next is the Korean word for parrot, and that is 앵무새, 앵무새. And the last one is the Korean word for turtle, and that is 거북이, 거북이. So, today we learned the names of various pet animals in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Kitten Express YouTube channel. Thank you.